Welcome children. I am going to explain second question. Second question now. So they ask us to construct a quadrilateral whose name is plan. PLAN plan. And measurement PL is 4 centimeter. LA is 6.5 centimeter. Angle P is 90 degree. Angle P 90 degree, angle A is 110 degree, angle N is 85 degree. So, as usual, draw a baseline whose measurement is 4 centimeter. So, 0 to 4 or 1 to 5. Name is PL is 4 centimeter. So again, keeping all, if we draw baseline, after that we want to concentrate on angle. So on P we want to take 90 degrees. So you know how to use protractor. I taught you how to use protractor in the previous video. So this is 90 degree. Just join this 90 degree. So over. Next one, from here we need a point called N, but we don't know this measurement. Pக்கும் Nக்கும் எவ்வளோ தூரத்தில் N வரும், அதாவது இந்த பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து எவ்வளோ தூரத்தில் N வரும்னு தெரியாது. நம்ம இது பார்த்தோம், ஓலேருந்து 4.5 சென்டிமீட்டருக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு பாயிண்ட் வரும், அந்த பாயிண்ட் தான் ஆறுன்னு சொன்னோம். ஆனால் N தெரியாது. ஓகே, லீவ் ஆஃப். அதே மாதிரி இஃப் யூ டேக் keeping compass on L, if we draw 6.5 centimeter arc, so keeping compass on L, we can draw 6.5 centimeter arc. Only this close given. So we don't know where on this arc where the A comes. On this line we don't know where L comes. But only 3 angle is given. We marked already one angle as 90 degree. So how can we find? How can we do? For this, we have a property of quadrilateral that sum of all the sides of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So if we find only this angle, we can complete this diagram properly like the previous question. So how to find this one? We don't know. So I'll name it as X. Sum of all the angle is 90 degree, that is X plus 85 plus 90 plus 110 equal to 360 degree. This is the property of a quadrilateral. So add all this, solve this linear equation. So this is 285 equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 degree minus 285. So X is equal to how much will come? 360, 85, 285, 5, 14, 4. So 45 degree. Is this correct? No, wrong. So 5, 15 லெட்டு போச்சுன்னா 75 degree. So that is angle R equal to 75 degree. So keeping protractor on L, measure 75 degree. So you know 75 will come between 70 and 80. Here 175, here 175. So at this point 75 is less than 90. So we want to take this 75. So I told you can extend the line as much as possible. This is 75 degree. On L we want to take 6 centimeter. So this is where this is 6 centimeter, so 6.5 centimeter. Where this angle and this arc is meeting is A. Now on A, On A we can measure 110 degree. So like the previous question. So keep protractor on A. Measure 110 degree. So this is obtuse angle, it is greater than 90 degrees. So you want to take this one as 110. Just join this similar to the previous question. Only thing is you want to find the unknown angle until you will not get the answer. So where this 2 point is meeting is N. So this is definitely you will get, this is 85 degree and this is 110 degree. So like this only you want to do the diagram, and I'm going to explain the third question and fourth question. Third question is they ask us to draw parallelogram. Parallelogram, which means parallel sides are equal and parallel. Name is here, HEAR, here. HE is 5 centimeter, EA is 6 centimeter, and angle R is 85 degree. This is the question which is given in your book. So we know properties of parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. One thing, sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree. That also we know. And opposite sides are parallel. So if this HE is 5 centimeter, definitely RE also 5 centimeter. If this is 6 centimeter, then HR is also 6 centimeter. If this is 85, this is also 85 degree. And sum of adjacent angle is, that is angle H plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Angle H plus this is 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle H, solving this you will get 95 degree. So this is 95 and this is also 95 degree. We know all the sides and all the angles. By having this information, you can construct a parallelogram. Then the last question of this exercise, they ask us to construct a rectangle. Rectangle also name is given as OK, OKAY, OK. So OK is 7 centimeter and KA is 5 centimeter. Since it is rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So if this is 5, if this is also 5, this is 7, this is also 7. So rectangle, all the angles are 90 degree. So everything is 90 degree. So by having this information, you can construct parallelogram. So do all the questions by yourself. If you have doubt, ask me later. Thank you. Meet you later.